Hello, hello. All right, we are at a different camera angle than usual, and I've got an 18 by 24 inch canvas here. I don't think I'm gonna need all of this paint, but we're gonna give it a go. If you go back to a video that I did named Pebble Cove, you will see what technique I'm going for. Of course, go to that one after this one so that you see what's happening. I'll link it in the description box. But I really loved the effects. There were lots of cells and lines, and that's what I'm going to go for today. Today we're working with pink tourmaline, rose quartz. I think that's what it is. Maybe not. Yes, rose quartz and coral. All Decoart, as well as the 24K gold. So these are all Decoart Extreme Sheen paints mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. And then I have Golden's Payne's Gray, and that is mixed, well, it's sort of hard to say because I use the fluid. I put about 3 ounces of Floetrol in here, and then I squirted the fluid in there and stirred it until I got a color that I liked. That's gonna be my contrasting color. And then finally my white, which is mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I have about 28 ounces of it here. So this is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and an ounce of water. I needed it to be a little thinner because I need it to move freely on the canvas. So again, 18 by 24 inch canvas. We're gonna layer up a cup. I think some people dubbed it the triple decker. I have no idea. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. All right, my paints over here. So I'm going to, in my other video that I did like this, I had a larger cup, a taller one, so I can't find those ones anymore. No, I'm gonna do some gold. And I'm just gonna drizzle the paints on top. In my other painting, I used blues and greens, and this time, oh, I did not want that. You do not want the paint to go into what is there. So what I'm gonna do is put a little paint in another cup so that it's easier to control. You're just going to do a light drizzle over the top of the colors and cover them up as much as possible. Okay. I think I'm going to add one color in here that I have mixed up behind me, and that is going to be some fluorescent violet by Acrylic. I'm just going to put a little bit of a splash in there. And then cover that layer up also with paint. Now the white. And I'll put a little more in this cup. Okay, so that's 1 cup. Now I'm gonna do another one because the other painting, like I said, had a larger pour cup and less space to cover on the canvas. So I'm in the need for a little more paint, so and then we'll also add some of the black acrylic in there. And that's all we're gonna add with that. A little bit of gold. Okay. I have a feeling I have too much paint, but oh well. All right. We'll just keep that cup to the side just in case we need it. So we have our layered cups. And we're gonna get ready to pour. Put the white over here. I'm gonna remove those 2 cups here at the base. start pouring back and forth. I am loving this one already. Okay, so as you can see, the beautiful cells. Okay, so now we're gonna bring it back this way just a smidge. Put this up on blocks or cups, not blocks. And I'm going to fill in with some white in here. I'm really, this piece is gorgeous. Let me see if I can bring you guys in. Awesome. All right. Okay, I really don't want to do much more to this. But I do have to bring it back this way a bit. And I think that's about all I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm mind blown at this one. This one is so beautiful. All right. Get these gloves off. Gotta save the gloves these days, guys. Although I was saving them beforehand, but oh, I'm so happy. I'm giddy. Okay. All right, we're gonna bring you guys in. I'll be right with you. All right, guys, here we are. There is so much to look at on this piece. I love all these little areas in here. And look at that. That's like crazy awesome. It's almost like it's a coral reef. And those cells, look at those cells. I'm super excited about this piece, and it's a lot lighter than it looks, so. But I'm loving the Payne's Gray as a contrast bit for it. And look, I've tried to focus and it's not focusing. There we go. I just can't believe this. This came out so much better than I had anticipated, and I'm super excited about it. I'm trying to get the real color for you, but that is the final bit. It's gorgeous. I'm super pleased with this piece. I hope you guys enjoyed the technique as well as the video. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like what you see. Ring the bell for notifications. A link to my Etsy shop and all my social media is below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me.